Hey, do you want to learn how to fix ene.sys driver cannot load on this device error? So like you can see here, I've got this message pop up. Whenever I open up my computer, I get this message. In order to remove it, you need to open up File Explorer first. So you can open it up from here, or you can click here on the Start menu and search for File Explorer, or use a keyboard shortcut like Windows plus E key together at the same time. Press on it, and it's going to open up the File Explorer. Now go over to C drive or wherever you have got your Windows installed, and scroll down. You're going to find Windows, press on it, go inside it and scroll down. You're going to find System32, go inside it as well. Then over here, you will not be able to find ene.sys if you keep scrolling down. So instead, on the top right, you're going to find the search bar, type in it, ene.sys. There you go. We have found ene.sys here. We need to right click this file, rename it. So instead of making it file extension as .sys, we're going to rename it to sys old and press enter. Continue. Now next up, we're going to press on Start menu again, then search for core isolation. Press on the system settings. Here you're going to find memory integrity. Let's press here to turn it off. Now it says that the memory integrity is off. Your device may be vulnerable. That's fine. Now we are going to restart our computer. Alright, so I've restarted the PC and the error did not pop up anymore. The ene.sys error. Now go over to core isolation again and turn on the memory integrity. Now it's going to ask you to restart your device again. And that's it. I've booted my PC again. And this time there is no error at all. So we have fixed the ene.sys and we have also enabled the memory integrity again. Now, why does it happen? It's because of these RGB Fusion softwares. So maybe I've got Dragon Center by MSI, or I got Gigabyte RGB Fusion, this one. So RGB Fusion 2.0. So I'm going to open it up. And as you open it, you're going to find these different errors. So yeah, this is the main issue. And you can remove these RGB Fusion softwares or the Dragon Center by MSI, and it's going to work completely fine. You're not going to see that error. This way, you keep the software, but you also remove the error. And that's it. That's how to fix ene.sys error. Driver cannot load on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and on the right hand side, you can find more tech related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.